welcome back to my channel. Let's get started with Shriya. So if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel. Subscribing is absolutely free, and please hit that bell icon so that you don't miss out any of my updates. Thank you. So today I'm back with a new review video, and today's review video is about Lakme Absolute Matte Melt Liquid Lip Colors. So pretty much huge name. Lakme has recently launched their matte liquid lipsticks in their Absolute range, because previously they have launched it in their 9 to 5 range and now they have launched it in their Absolute range. They have launched 8 shades and they retails for Rs 750 for 6 ml of product, which I think is in the costlier side. The shade range doesn't have that much variety. I wish that they put some new colors in this shade range. But one thing I want to say that these 8 shades are a bit unique for Lakme, because they just mix reds and pinks and oranges. But this time they made like nudes and also plum color and also wine color. They have just experimented with the colors in this range. So I haven't bought all the shades, I have only picked up 2 which I like the most. So I'm gonna tell you the shade names and how the colors look like. So the 8 shades are like this: Wine and Dine, which is a wine color. Number 2, Red Smoke, which is a burnt brick kind of red color. Crazy Tangerine, it is an orange shade. Mulberry Fist, which I bought, is a plum color and it is a very beautiful plum color. Vintage Pink is a pinkish nude color. Peach Rose is also a peachy nude color. Mild Mauve is also a mauvey nude color. And Firestarter Red, which I am wearing right now, as you can see, this is a very gorgeous red color. Looks like this. They comes in this type of black cardboard box packaging, and the shade name and the price and also the shelf life is written over this box, and the shelf life of these lipsticks is up to 2021, which is good. So the inner packaging looks like this. As you can see, this comes in this type of transparent packaging, so that you can easily pick up which shade you are gonna be using. So the packaging is really very convenient, and at the bottom of these lipsticks there is written the shade name and everything written over here, as you can see. And the applicator looks like this, as you can see. It is a doe foot applicator and the wand is really very long. It will make your application very easy. But the doe foot applicator is not that much good because it carries very less amount of lipstick. So you have to just dip it in for 2 to 3 times to apply the lipstick all over your lips, and you can take out the actual quantity you want after dipping it 2 to 3 times. So that is not good. I personally don't think that it is good. So now comes the formula of this lipstick. When you're going to apply these lipsticks, it will feel like soft matte kind of lipstick, but after application, after it dries down, the lipstick dries down, you can see it will be like complete matte. As you can see, there will be no shine at all and not like velvet kind of matte. It will be complete matte. And the best part about this lipstick is this don't dries out your lips, and also it is very comfortable and very lightweight on your lips, and this don't settles into your cracks or make your lips look like cracky or flaky, which mostly the liquid lipsticks do. So this lipstick is very good for that reason. The coverage of this lipstick is medium and it won't give you opaque coverage, which I think is the major drawback about these lipsticks. And if you apply 2 or 3 swipes, then also the color will not be like opaque, and if you are going to apply more and more layers, then your lips will look like patchy or sticky. It won't look good. So you have to like apply some foundation on your beauty blender and just pat it on your lips so that the darkness or the pigmentation of your lips just fades away and the color pops out. These lipsticks claims to be transfer proof, but I'm gonna show you if it is transfer proof or not. As you can see, it transfers but a little bit, so that is not the main issue, but it transfers but a little bit. That is not any problem at all. But after transferring also the lipstick is in its place, so it is not any problem at all. These lipsticks are smudge proof and also water resistant, but yes, if you rub it off with your hand harshly, it will come off, and it is not supposed to be done with your lipsticks, right? So nobody will do it. So it is smudge proof and also it is water resistant. These lipsticks easily stays up to 6 to 7 or 8 hours, and after that it becomes a little bit patchy, and if you have any heavy meal also, the lipstick won't come off or fade away. It will just fade away from the inner corners of your lips, but not all over the lips. It won't come off. You would need a oil-based makeup remover to remove this lipstick, and after removing also your lips won't feel like dry. So that is a good point about these lipsticks. So now let's discuss about the pros and the cons. Again, I have written the pros and the cons in my phone, so I'm gonna tell you one by one. So pro number 1, it is very lightweight and comfortable on your lips. Number 2, it is an absolute matte. Number 3, it don't transfers that much. Number 4, it don't dries out your lips. Number 5, it don't settles into your cracks. And number 6, it stays for a pretty much long time. And now comes the cons. And con number 1, it is overpricey. Number 2, the shade range is very limited. Number 3, the coverage is not that much opaque. Number 4, the applicator is not up to the mark compared to the price. So that was the complete detailed review about these lipsticks. I gave you all the possible informations about these lipsticks which I could give you. I hope you liked this video, and if you liked it, please give it a very big thumbs up. It will mean a lot to me.